In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename columns in the Google Sheets app. This is a handy skill for organizing your data more effectively and making your spreadsheets easier to understand at a glance. So, let's dive in and simplify this task step by step. First, you'll need to have the Google Sheets app open on your device, preloaded with the spreadsheet you intend to work on. If you haven't already done so, make sure you access your spreadsheet. This is the foundational step. Whether you're starting a new file or revisiting an existing one, your document must be open and ready for editing. Now, let's get to your first column. For demonstration purposes, we will start by renaming the first column header. Find cell A1 on your Google Sheet. This typically is where your current column heading might reside, such as name, date, or simply column 1, depending on the nature of your data. Double-click on cell A1. This action will enable you to edit the text that's within that cell. By double-clicking, you enter the edit mode, which will allow you to type directly. Once you're in the edit mode, it's time to rename the column heading as per your requirements. You might have a specific context or reference for this data, so choose a meaningful, clear name that suits the contents of the column. Whether it's switching old header to customer name or simply cleaning up the title by removing unnecessary labels, think about clarity for anyone who might interact with the file. After you've entered your desired name for the column, you'll need to lock that change in. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will complete the edit process for cell A1, finalizing your new heading. Keep in mind that pressing Enter here is crucial. Otherwise, your renamed title won't be saved, and any existing default might remain. Next, let's apply what we've done to another column. Move over to cell B1, your very next column header. The process to rename this column mirrors the steps we took for A1. Go ahead and double-click on cell B1. You'll notice it enters the edit mode, allowing you to type directly within the cell, just like before. In the edit mode for B1, choose a new name that accurately reflects the data contained in that column. Again, the title you choose can greatly enhance the readability and usability of your spreadsheet, so select something descriptive. After entering your new label for column B, don't forget the final step. Hit the Enter key again. This step ensures your changes are solidified. Congratulations, you've successfully renamed 2 column headers in your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Remember, these steps can be repeated for any column and any number of columns within your document. By maintaining clear, appropriate column headers, you'll increase your spreadsheet's functionality and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Google Sheets tips.